Welcome to our quick guide on injecting peptides. In our last video, we taught you how to reconstitute a peptide, getting it ready for injection. If you haven't seen it, make sure to watch that video first. The link is in the description below. Before you start, make sure your workspace is clean to maintain hygiene. Start by wiping the tops of both vials with an alcohol swab to sterilize them. Unwrap the sterile syringe carefully. Next, remove your syringe cap to draw the peptide solution. Carefully insert needle into vial. Draw the desired amount of peptide into the syringe, ensuring no air bubbles. If there's air bubble, you can remove it by gently tapping the syringe. Now, you're ready for the injection. Start the injection by pinching the skin, insert the needle at a 45-degree angle, and inject slowly. And that's it. You've successfully injected your peptide. Thank you for choosing fat-free body. Visit our website to order peptides and for more information.